Hello, I am Alex and I am in Cascade Locks, Oregon. Yeah, I am in an Airbnb right now that I just chose because I am going to Multnomah Falls, the highest waterfall in the entire world. Actually, I don't know if that's true, so I can't back that. However, it is like over 600 feet tall. I'm gonna put the actual tallness right here. And it's so tall, okay? So there is a lower level, a medium level, and an upper level. So I'm going to do it all. It's like a mile hike straight up to get to the top level. And I'm gonna go there. Yeah, I am. So I have a few things to decide though, because it looks nice outside, but I'm wondering, I'm wearing shorts right now, and I'm wondering, should I put on like the classic, workout thing? Let me show you. Like, I'm wondering if I should wear these long pants and bring a hoodie just in case it gets chilly there, because it looks like it's sunny outside, but it is about, well, it was like 60 degrees. So I don't know, I run hot anyways, but we'll see. I'm gonna pick between that. Also, Western Washington University t-shirt, a Western Washington University water bottle, because our youngest goes to Western Washington University, which is why I'm in the Pacific Northwest right now. I'm just doing a side trip to Oregon because I've never seen Multnomah Falls and I want to. So there's that. Now, going a mile straight up in, like completely vertical. I'm not sure actually, but a Lunchable. I feel like I'm gonna need something to eat. Why is that backwards? Anyways, I went for the big one. This one was only 69 cents more at the store, but it has a Capri Sun and a Reese's peanut butter cup because I feel like I'm going to need some extra energy to make it up that tall thing. So this is what the weather looks like out today. So it actually looks really nice, but it is kind of chilly. I think it's maybe 65 degrees right now. I don't know for sure, but I think I'm gonna put on the long pants.
Tonight, the local family is left devastated after the loss of a father who the sheriff's office says fell to his death at Multnomah Falls. Fox 12's Jeffrey Lidwell is live near the falls tonight and has the latest on this tragic story. Jeffrey?
And deputies haven't released the victim's name, but Tiffany.
Only on call tonight, we're hearing from a man who helped save a woman who was dangling off a trail at Multnomah Falls.
The woman's daughter, who only has one arm, was struggling to hold onto her mom's leg after she fell off the trail. Fox 12's Riel Creighton joins us now in studio.
All right, so I'm not 100% sure after that I am going to do all 3 levels, but I am for sure going to do lower level and mid-level. And then we'll take a look at the trail if that looks a little crazy, because I'm already not that coordinated, but I can't imagine trying to do it and try to film. So yeah, we'll see about that. But okay, we'll see you at Multnomah Falls. I wish that I'm using Theo's car, thus you can see the painting on the car, but I wish that it had cameras. Well, I mean, it has tons of cameras. It has cameras for stupid stuff, but it doesn't have any like dash cams. So I wish that it did, so it could record how gorgeous the drive here was. I'm alone, so I didn't have anyone to record it for me, but it is gorgeous, a beautiful drive. There's the Multnomah Falls Restaurant and Lounge and an information desk. Here's a little bit of a better look. So this does not give it justice, but you can see this from the road. And there's a trail that goes all the way up to that. So Let's see. Oh, it's our nation's second highest year-round waterfall. Well, this is the lower falls, and you can see the bridge for the middle falls section. So here's the trail that goes to the very top. It might not look like I'm very far up, but I am really far up. Here's how wide the trail is. See how wide it is? And then it's just a drop off. So I am staying on the very edge.
Right. Yeah, and we've only actually gotten to Asheville Woods.
Danger of falling. Way down there. Way down there. Do you see how sketchy the trail is getting? I'm not so sure. It's getting pretty torn apart. No one else seems to be afraid except for me. They're just going for it. All right. No, you're fine. I've been hugging the wall here. You can see how sketchy the trail is starting to look. It's pretty narrow, and it's a long way down. I'm like above the tree line now. It's so far up. So I'm pretty sure that this is where somebody probably fell off. So I don't know if I'm gonna go any further. We'll see. All right, there's an actual tree across the trail. So I have to decide, do I go over it, under it, or turn back? Look how high. I mean, I'm as high as, like there's, see. This doesn't give you justice of just exactly how high I am. I think this is a sign that I need to turn around, but I will bring you some footage of somebody else who made it to the top so you can see what it's like. Going back down is a little sketchy. It gets real steep and I feel like, you know, it's scary. How sketchy it is.